Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna share something really important for those who are in Canada temporarily and are now looking forward to get permanent. So guys, remember last year there was a program TR to PR pathway and thousands of people got benefited. Something new is in the making, and our honorable immigration minister Mr. Sean Fraser has already made the statement that they are really working on it, and something they will come up with 120 days. Now once it is launched, how many days in total it will take to get through and how many people will be benefited, these figures, these data are best kept for later. So once this is available, I'll let you know guys, but for now this is the situation and it looks like soon we'll have something good. Now this has brought a lot of relief, and this announcement has come at a time when Canada is all set to resume express entry in less than a month as per the previous announcement. So those who are eligible and eagerly waiting, they will have another option. But one thing I guess the government should focus on: processing time. Like, it should not have any negative impact on processing time, because already under various categories processing times are affected. So hopefully this goes smoothly. So I'll keep you guys updated with whatever is happening. Thanks for watching this guys, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not done already.